Hey, who said anything about being covert? I don't get it. How could anyone justify giving all this stuff to Attila?
Some people can justify anything if the price is high enough. You forget who you're talking to?
Oh, I wasn't thinking. Sorry, Tony.
What are you doing? Get out of here, you insignificant worms!
Whoa! Where did he come from?
Ah! You haven't seen the last of me!
That door was a little tricky, but at least the hard part's over. I promise my next suit will be able to deal with this kind of thing.
That's one of them set up. 2 to go.
You again! Stop what you're doing! Atuma commands you!
You command us? Yeah, good luck with that.
Peasants! This is an outrage!
need to find a way to reach it.
There's a hatch on the ceiling. Think we can destroy it?
Good call. Leave it to me. Right, that's the second one. One more should be enough.
That's Atuma's invasion plans well and truly sunk.
Still doesn't add up. What was Atuma planning? Why attack now? What was...
Watch out!
Huh?
Fools! You will pay for this insult!
Ouch.
I don't want to worry you, but I think I may have just invalidated my warranty.
Let's get back and debrief. There's something bigger going on here.
Ah! Gently. No, gently.
Friendly neighborhood Spider-Man at your service.
No way. We get Spider-Man in our team? This is so cool.
Ugh, we could have done this without him.
Hey, easy, White Tiger. I want my brand new threads and everything. Who are these guys, anyhow?
Escapees from the raft. Which means there are probably a few supervillains up ahead, too.
The Tremendous Trio versus the Bridge of Anarchy. This would make an awesome fan fiction.
Let's focus on saving civilians first. Team names come later. Oh, man. What happened to the bridge?
Who's behind all this?
I don't know, but we'll need to find a way to cross that gap.
There we go. See? I have my uses.
Let's see how you match up against me.
Supervillains escaping from the raft, huh? Well, there's a shocker.
Very clever, Spider-Man. But you won't be making fun of me for long.
But there's just so much material to work with. And speaking of material, what's that costume made out of anyway? Are you a fan of unfashionable cushions?
Hey, what did I just tell you? Don't mock the shocker.
Watch out for shocker blasts, guys.
We got this. Just need to stay on the attack.
Hey, watch it.
Hey, what's going on?
Care to test me, you weak-minded fool?
Mysterio! What's Fishbowl Features doing here?
You're getting on my nerves. You know that. You're gonna get it for trying to ruin my day. I ain't done yet, you lousy do-gooders.
Are you enjoying our little party? My friends would love to meet you.
These other Mysterios are just illusions, right?
I don't know. They seem real enough to me.
Well, we know Shocker's real, so let's find a way to get to him. Ooh, I got this.
Gotta be something around here we can use to fight Shocker.
Skadoosh!
You want some more, do ya? Happy to oblige.
I'm the shock.
Come on, Shocker. It's 3 against 1. Give it up.
You're getting on my nerves. You know that? I said,
Curse you, heroes! Curse you!
Surprise!
Vulture?
Stay still, you little troublemaker!
Ow! Talk about an uplifting experience. Hey, what's with the jungle?
what do we have here? Some fresh prey for Kraven the Hunter?
Spidey, are you alright? Where'd Vulture go?
I think we've got bigger things to worry about now.
First, let us see how you heroes survive in the wild.
Uh-oh. Nice, kitty. Guys, maybe there's something we can build to get the lion's attention.
What do you know? Guess our new friend was just hungry.
So you think you can outsmart Kraven the Hunter? You heroes are about to become an endangered species.
Careful, guys. We're fighting someone who actually chose to wear that costume. There's no telling what he might do.
You cannot hope to defeat me! I have hunted bigger game! I'll get you!
Watch out for his attacks. We need to pick a good moment to strike.
Ha! Let us see how you deal with this!
Here he comes! Look out!
This cannot be! I am Kraven the Hunter!
This guy sure seems to like saying his name. Does he think we've forgotten it or something?
Ha! I wish!
What just happened?
Guess who? Impressive, but not impressive enough.
meddlesome peasants. Now you face an altogether superior adversary.
Doc Ock! I had a feeling something sinister was going on.
This is it. There's no escape.
Quick, keep moving while he fires.
Let's shake things up a little, shall we?
I'd rather not, if it's all the same to you.
I have you now. Catch.
Heads up, guys! We've got incoming!
How is this possible? My genius knows no limit.
Hey, that worked! We might just have a chance at defeating him after all!
Webs, that was so epic. Well timed.
Hey, it was a team effort.
Wow. What a rush! And even more fun than how I'd have written it! I mean, taking down 5 supervillains and a...
Withering half-wits. You've no idea of the machinations in play. He's coming, and you will all...
Hey, Ock! No one likes a sore loser. Seriously. You two head back to HQ and give a full report to WASP. I'll stay with this until the authorities arrive.
You just want to dodge the paperwork.
I appreciate you answering our distress call, but the Avengers and their allies defeated Loki's master plan. And we're on top of all the usual planet-wide villainy.
No, there's something else.
That. That's one big sword.
People of New York, I am Kang, the Conqueror. Thousands of civilizations have fallen to my forces, and your city will fare no better. Let your fabled Avengers try and stop me. No one throughout time, in all of space, has ever been able to best me. All hail Kang!
Hey, you! Yeah, you might have just missed it. But the last purple-hatted cosmic tyrant that came here didn't fare too well against us. Can't see any reason why you might do any better.
I need to check on S.H.I.E.L.D. What's left of it.
Guys?
What?
Spider-Woman. But you can call me Gwen.
Gwen? Okay, I think there's some dimension distorting going on here.
People of Manhattan, welcome to Chronopolis. Those who bow to me, do my bidding, shall be rewarded. But those who fail me will be cast aside, as for your so-called heroes. They shall find life a challenge in my world of worlds.
Chronopolis?
World of Worlds? What do you suppose that means?
It'll have to wait. We've still got bad guys to catch. Is that your goblin?
No, looks from the future.
So, what's the story here? Did a convention just let out? You guys really missed a few marks with those costumes, huh? But the onion seems dead on.
How about we take down the dodo here before we start swapping stories?
You... What are you doing?
Get back here, you!
I'm almost free!
What? He's getting away! How do you like some of this?
You pathetic pests!
Yes, that worked!
You'll never catch me, spider fools!
All this danger...
Ow! Stop that!
Yes, that worked!
You pathetic pests!
That's how it's done.
I don't believe it! Where is that infernal goblin? Time to return to the nest!
Ooh, almost got me. I'm impressed.
Hey, what's the rush?
Ooh, having a little chase, are we? Are you still there? You'll never catch me now.
We need answers. We can't let him escape.
So I've been thinking about this Kang guy, and
Not so fast.
ow, you're stronger than you look.
This seems to be working. This isn't really something I saw myself doing today.
Yeah, I have a lot of days like that.
That hurt, you nasty spider.
This seems to be working.
Ugh, gross. Goblin from the future? Knights from the past? What's going on?
I better head back. Wasp, are you getting this?
Yeah, looks like they came through some kind of portal. Picking up another one. What's Claw doing in Manhattan?
The rest of the Avengers need to work out why Kang's brought us here. Luckily, we've got help.
Hey, this is quite a gathering.
Yeah. I should have brought my new mixtape.
Save it for later, guys. We've got work to do. What do you know about Kang?
All I need to. He's one seriously bad dude.
And his accomplice?
Ravana Renslayer. When Kang conquered her kingdom, she became his bride.
Doctor Strange, could Kang be attacking multiple time eras at once?
Possibly. It needs further consultation.
2 teams. One to chase down those knights, the other, check out where Claw went.
Let's go jump through some mystical portals. Woohoo!
Everyone stay on your toes. We don't know what might be waiting for us on the other side. I'm sure I can put this to good use.